Episode leyi yi tisiwa eka n'wina hi Preview Restaurant hi kumeka a Pitori a shop number R2 a Arcadia Kingsley Center. Preview Restaurant laha ndlala yi timeriwaka kona.
Xigangu xa mina
Ifamanda lexi famanda lexi loko wa hatla u fika ne u nga kuma swon'wanyana tlhe kumelana swo haka timba swona
Yeah.
Look like
Mina ngo ya swo haka timba swo yini.
mara munhu wa ku endla ti-love song yes mina ni specialize hi marhandu no you are lazy dog you are lazy because hi leswi a hi swi languseni so
ala hata vula ku mi nga tlolisi hayi
I need police. Mina I keep my shades on. Ushimatsa xa Mtsonga ke itingani mi tiva. Tinga ko.
Ivi va ku I love you. Ivi va ku I love you. Va ku na ku rhandza.
mburi ya Xitsonga
I didn't say that.
Imashaka na
I didn't say that.
Amina mara.
Le Ishangani Gang. La ihlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumerisaka Gaza vumene vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga. Leyi i Xangani Gang, xangi.
Okay, njani mani njani mashaka
Komi njhani Mashaka?
again we futhi ne a ni swi episode man because a tirha
Yeah.
72 hi le ku documenteni 72 episodes hi le ku
Yeah.
tirheni khensa ku va mi ri na hina mara kombela ku mi nga voni ntsena subscribe bani mi tlhela mi byela na maxaka ma byele maxaka ku va subscribe ne we need those numbers and khensa the views ta n'wina swinene maxaka namuntlha ro hetisela ku nyika xitiviso lexi ro hetisela the last day
Yeah.
ku ri this coming Saturday
Ku na
i
reveal.
ti 10 ta May
Yeah.
ku na the reveal of Nkatayisa na King Beck's birthday celebration kwala a preview
Yeah.
hi ta va hi kha hi n'wana ta kha a nga hi tsheve ta nga na phela bya mara mi ni ta ni karhela ni kombela ku hlakala mi nga ni tshinyi xava khosa mi nga ni tshinyi ti 10 ni kombela ku hlakala mi ni karhele ku lunga hi ta hi rikwalani so hi joineni ta hi hlakala swin'we ku va right xin'wana xa kona ne eka la ku merchandise va nga yi tshemi merchandise u kona hello na maxaka lawa sasekini hello
Money.
loko mi lava match ne a swi hluphi mfona nambara leyi nga laha mi WhatsApp leyi nga laha nambara ya Xangani Gang yeah loko mi lava merchandise so mi ta endla leswi mi byelaka swona and then mi yi kuma from 260 rand ne cause
260 skipa,
Yeah.
360 jersey.
yeah different 100 rand a problem so maswa ku na metse hi tlhelo olovisa
Na money.
skipa yi
Money.
okay Mashaka
Ay, Mashaka.
na ximunato
Yeah.
tanihi minkarhi hinkwayo na hi tshama kha hi tisa vanhu lava nga busy vuton'wini like we always say ne laha ka Xangani Gang we are documenting hi lava ku loko munhu se a karhele kumbe loko a wini kumbe loko a tshikile a swi endlaku ne a vuya laha a ta vona ku ri no a ri busy
Yeah.
namuntlha hi na xiyimbeleri xa hina xa tingoma to hambanahambana Edgar Why mhlamala Edgar Maweya
Namku Edgar Mawaya masi lungulaiza. Edgar.
fana ku Edgar okay na
Ina
Edgar Maweya na Edgar
Mawaya.
not the power of emphasis
ina
Edgar.
ediga sweswi
Edgar Maweya
Waya lang tamin.
Leswaku ku vulavuriwa hi mina nga rani kona.
okay but Edgar Bata hlekisa ne from I we to problem aku leron betene I stage name leron is the real name
Yeah, and then I was expecting.
that's why I was expecting ne
Mi swi ndlise ku yini?
kuna yenda vula Xitsonga za straight ngopfu loko mi tiva team leyiwani a mi ta chuha na a mi nga ta va surprise loko mi swi tiva ku na vo mani ka
Yeah.
n'wana ku na Gaza Bosha n'wana ku na Mgobhozi a ku na nkateko
vanhu lava i timenemene lava
menemene swilo leswi
so vo fa mihleketa ku timenemene ti fa ta endla yini ti kuma information hi ndlela yihi so hi nga kuma swin'wana na xin'wana
se leswi mi endlaka swona leswi
ti kumela na ediga emaweya so amukela ka podcast live hi sungula kwala ka ku ni ko mi byela ku mu huma kwini because hina ho mi vona kwala ka TikTok kwala hi swi tivi ku ri mu huma kwini swilani ho va na la ku rotiwa ku hi n'wi Edgar Maweya
man still me Edgar Maweya as an artist I don't know that
mara we Edgar Maweya na
it's fine Edgar Maweya I mean ilene
ile
ngale
yeah
ilenhle
mangchingela ilang mangchingela mun lalo mlo ngchingela
okay
kompetente
mali alombiwa
Edgar Maweya
Okolotiwa.
okay menjara kasikhunyana
asikhunyana
yeah kasikhunyana agiyana
okay
mata mi swindle so ngivula ku Edgar Maweya Nqabza and ngivula ku Edgar Maweya eFamanda anifalente eFamanda sa asina maka
amo crema na
asihumi jumba sheshe
yeah Edgar Maweya ijara kasikhunyani yeah loko no vula ku ntswaleriwe la nsuka la ntala switaleya Maweya
because as vulini ku hina hi la ku documenta
yeah
and this is information leyi ni da ku hi lava ku yi tiva vanhu va lava ku yi tiva loko va lava ku tiva ku Edgar imani va ta languta ku
man lava tiva ku Edgar man lava tiva ku Nqabza man lava tiva ku Famanda man try Edgar va stikeli mina
okay
ata ka lava mbirhi mara
so kumkavanya
yeah
ai mina mngama hleli
mina anda ku born and bred mara born and bred kasikhunyani mara ni huma kasikhunyani ni wa kasikhunyani kati ya mile kasikhunyani so lexi nga endleka mina ntswaleriwe a Northwest ama Fikeng ni endle primary ya mina early primary ya mina a Rustenburg Litsibugo and then I moved from Litsibugo niya kasikhunyani kasikhunyani ngafika nendla I think nendle grade 4 until Sikhunyani secondary school and then until I finished that so basically Edgar Maweya mfaka kasikhunyani mfawa humble no va swi tiva kasikhunyani
humble nje so lesifuna katika TikTok hambana
leswi nga ta vulavula hi swona la yeah
ni vona video n'wana yo loko lo on tsika ntshemba nchumu ana swi tivi ku nta la mani ntshemba nchumu so please ungatshiki bot Edgar please ungatshiki bot Edgar ne cause abatsemba inga disappointing n'wana
money
okay no man kasikhunyani na tlambi man loko ni hleketa
imani tlambi tin'wana to makasikhunyani
kuna vanhu vo tala ngopfu kasikhunyani mchana no tiva risimu kasimurembela ku kasikhunyani
tlakula band
kuna tlambi na switiva kuna
and tlambi leti nga duma hinkwato kasikhunyani ta ka hina
taka n'wini
taka Maweya
hinkwato ta ka hina leti nga duma hinkwato lavo ka va nga dumangi
va ka n'wini
I'm sorry
hola va duma nga va ka n'wini
yeah
na vo duma va ka n'wini
because risimu ra kasikhunyani tamtabona ana ka hina tamtabona
hi rona rero
ai mahele loko ri huma n'wini tshama kha ni mi byela
yeah so it's itlakula band itlakula band yi name after mkhegula un'wanyana wa hano wa bami
a ku ri ye band
xivuso xa njhani xexi ni vula ku yi name after
okay
so ya no baba ya no nkulukumba loyi a nga tshama le
no lava va malebvu
ya na vo ya no
okay
so tlakula a ku ri tlakula ku ri vito ra ra ku nganga.
That's what no vutiwa ku ri vo band na cause mi te yi name after vona. An languta mavito Tlakula band so no choose a band ka Tlakula band.
Twisisa a ku ri vo band.
yeah.
Yeah, a ku ri vo band na va yimbelela kwala ku na ngoma mahlaselo hayi va ka Tlakulo. Yeah, so a ku yimbelela vona la so ngaba ku kwami. So Tlakula band ya ka hina.
Okay.
Man kambe un'wana ya sikhweni nga dum.
Nqabza.
Yeah. Or of Amanda.
Mbe Famanda.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys are disrespectful. Mi rivala njhani msindo wa pheni?
Ku na msindo wa pheni. Loko ro sungula ne nga ri ku ama yima hele still. La papa n'wanangu.
Emawe Nqabani liya.
Ai serious.
Yeah.
Maswa ka sikhunyana. Kuna ndango ka sikhunyana, fa ya ka sikhunyana. Tabona.
Mi va vula na mina mla ya sikhweni.
Ka tembe.
I know the safety, the
safest part.
The safest part, the safety and the safety precautions.
Mara
Ka sikhweni.
Ka tembe.
Yeah.
Ka tembe.
Kuna va ka timba na.
Kasi va ka temba yini byeni
Loko hi ta tsaka ke ta via hi tsakini na. Ka tembe ka.
Ka tsaka.
Head
to toe.
Oh sorry, ndike mvulavuleli maya n'wini.
Head to toe.
Tama ku swi bara hina tsena ngwa swi fevhali leswi tsaka timhaka tim.
So kahle nga vula ku muma mutini wa
music. Yeah.
So hi swona hi kona la mi swi kumaka kona leswi.
Yeah, no one nga dyondzisiwangi mara swi kumako.
Okay.
No one nga dyondzisiwangi. Yeah, like an dyondzisiwangi to be honest. Nkulukumba loyi mina a ni n'wi byela hi papa vonani mina ni la ku it was just like unmize nkulukumba loyi loko ni fanele ni vulavula swa music and stuff so I had to do it my way. Yeah,
So mi swi njhani like mi sungule yini? So music like sungule ku yimbelela mchana you play something kumbe
ni sungule ku rap. Sungule ku rap nzama ku yimbelela ni nga swi koti. I think nga ku ano ka ni nga swi koti kumbe ano va hava confidence ka voice ya mina na the way I deliver my thing and stuff. Yeah, ni nga swi vurisa sweswo
And
because
sorry in this.
mina music hip hop ni sungule 2015.
Okay.
Yeah. Ni sungule 2015 ni endla hip hop ni rapa namba ni hi sendela nkulukumba luwa na yena swa vuhlangi.
So kumbala manager. Okay no, ya no.
Yeah, ta vuya ka swona.
Kambe xo sungula okay it's fine. So ni endla hip hop, a ku na nkulukumba un'wanyana a ni nge n'wi mention vito ra yena a ni nge n'wi promote. I have my own reasons. Sorry dog. So anda hamba ni ya ka Daman. To be honest mina hi timhaka ta music ni ka yini like as like swi ni endle ku ni tshama na vanhu vo tala hi timhaka ta ku I wanna be in that musical space. So that guy was a producer and that music all at the local house. It was Dr. Omega na swin'wana. Music all over so I would like just go to that guy. Mina, I can sing, I can rap, what and stuff. Like I know, okay, it's fine. And I was still young by that time. And then namba hi endla music na nkulukumba luyani mara a ku va na nkarhi laha se xisexa xi nga sungula ku jika xi cinca matirhelo ya xona mhaka ta ku a xi lave mina ni endla that local house mara mina I know in myself ku ri endzeni ka mi ku na hip hop mina I wanted to do hip hop so ka hip hop the way he produced hip hop I didn't like it a swi nga sound hip hop a swi sound the way leswi a nga swi ndlisa ku cinca drumming and then not slowly and stuff. I don't know the express. I was like, nah, I mean, I'm not at the producer and stuff, but I want to use your studio. I want to use your equipment. So very soon, buying a ina. So ni munhu anga kaya and vaka tindawo so when I tama viki just because I want to make music and stuff.
So mkaya kanjani ku ri ku muma mutini lowu ku nga na music ku nga na hala ka hina like reach out ka vanhu lava and response a ku ri yini if then you did not get help.
As I said kuri ani nga accommodate ka ngendlela liya ya ku ni nga fika ni ku ekhweni ku endla swa so ka studio xa because mina music wa mina u consideriwa as music lowu a nga consideriwa as music lowu hi nga ta ku an old man anga kota ku amukela ku no it's fine. Yeah, so alaka hina ava nga record ka Sikhunyani team letiya.
Okay.
Ava record I think le ka vo Abel, but the late DJ Aaron. Sikopusa mukema setsa vonyoko kamkarali aya khale
Yeah.
swo ta house letiya ta valovile. So ava aku chava valovile sweswi no ku mo yingisela mudya swi ka munhu lowa angari wa Xigaza. Yeah. So mara all in all, yeah, we are here today. Rivena ka nhlamula xivutiso xo yini.
I think se swi tisala hi maxaka ne ka ku se hi nkumini Edgar ne Edika ku akhometa Matsonga hi right ne so loko mi ri sone mina mavito ma two stage names
Yeah.
lama ma tirhisaka a music
Yeah.
so ni la ku hi ma breaka down kahle ta kahle hi nga ma katsakatsi. Okay, so 2015 ku ve ku va na Nqabza kumbe amgeza mi chavit because livito ra Nqabza ri le ka the hip hop side.
Yeah, angaza ku va na Nqabza nkarhi lowa.
Okay, so u tere Nqabza
Nqabza u te hi 2019.
in 19.
Yeah. 2019 because mina ni sungule ku mara a ni ri Edgar Nqabza.
Oh.
A ni ri Edgar Nqabza. So like 2018 hi la ni nga sungula ku produce music as in like record, make a beat, record and then swi humesa swi ya vanhwini. 2015 a na ho endla music as a rapper, as a singer, ni karhi ni dyondza ku chaya, ni nga ti chayeli, a ni
Yeah.
dyondza ku chaya ni okay it's fine. Mara la ni nga sungula ku ti chayela it was 2018.
Okay.
Yeah. So I need Edgar Nqabza by since then, and then from 2019, then 2020, no Nqabza the boss,
Yeah.
Susa Edgar, no Nqabza the boss until now. So ni veta ni kazana famanda.
No. Like the hip hop side, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm not talking hip hop.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So I think you like taking car ka hip hop come sama like hip hop la. So kwenda ka hip hop because kuna vanhu lava nyamala la ka hip hop se va suka va jona genre tin'wana like in kotika ka la ka hip hop kumbe kanjani.
Honestly, hip hop, yeah, katika, cause music wa I can play you 5 songs with no skips. Why hip hop? The problem ego the reciprocation I image.
Okay.
We put a lot of effort. Enter this make sure I wanna do the writing even then munafa music ning said I miss her out ka message don't know how deliver la van'wanyana vo tala lava fika va swi nyika ndlela we mfu wa nga dumangi like leswi I question leyi ni kuma all the time na swi na hayikuma mfu wa nga dumangi mfu ku band ngoma ta so I was like I don't know so kwa we fika kuma timhaka ta ku na khale ne ka Xigaza ko rhandzeriwa of 7
Random
Xigaza ko rhandzeriwa of 7 a ku na xi nga xi endlaka
Yeah.
honestly ku va hi endla hip hop a nga ri timhaka ta ku hi tinyuma as Matsonga kumbe njhani tinyuma a hi nga tinyuma as Vatsonga because na hip hop ya ku hi endla hi Xitsonga so a ku ri timhaka ta ku ri okay ni byele let's be honest mi tshame mi vona Xigaza ka channel O
no question.
Yeah.
ni tshame mi vona Xigaza ka MTV base ka Trace no it's either u endla mapiano or what or hip hop.
Hip hop. Yeah.
Vision ya mina ku I wanna see myself on TV and I wanna be played ka tindhawu leti nga ta ku I ti-urban areas make Xitsonga fashionable. Unfortunately Vatsonga va ka hina a va hi back up let me put it this way a va hi back up yeah so
Amani again.
Loko mi ri le ka mbata.
loko se hi kha hi bata hina vele ta straight and mara a ni tshikangi ku tshika that's why I have 2 stage names.
Okay.
The reason behind that loko mi nga ni vutsangi the reason ya ku ni va na Nqabza ni va na Famanda I was actually not into Xigaza sorry mina Xigaza a ni xi yingiseli
Yeah.
a ni xi yingiseli not in a bad way mara loko ni te kacha Oh, shayingiseleka se. Yeah. No, you can't wake up in the morning, early in the morning. Oh.
Nilifokisa swona.
Neven bande ready for secret.
I wanna wake up on some like Mabona like
me tsamya jogging coming se Xigaza.
I can't. Ningatukuma se ni ka dzingidzingi.
So
Ningatukuma se ni ka dzingidzingi.
Chinyika energy.
Chimnyika energy.
I don't want that.
I'm like,
I don't want that. You know why? There's what we call a mood. Nako wa se mindukuma asikwini phela that's why munhu ranga a reset loko a ku pfuka swona. Ni nge pfuki ni vheta ndla swin'wana na swin'wanyana. Ni fanele ni tshama lani. Ni pfuka se ni pfukini vhele. Rixini musi. Oh, kambe ni fanele ndla yini? Now I have to wake up. Loko ni fanele Xitsonga, I need something lexi nga ta ni nyika mavona. No, I nga ti kona kwalani.
oh, so when I said before me song, I'm gonna light up music.
Not really. No vula ku ri imagine ka ha ri mpundu.
Nina xivutiso la. Between mavito lama mambirhi, including your identity name.
I take an identity.
Leriya, ri nge ri tshiki. For this question,
Yeah.
to apply. Ediga, Nqabza,
Ai.
na Famanda.
Yeah.
Vana personalities to hambana. Or it's one and the same body.
The difference I think is genre.
It's only that. So ku hava identity disorder inga kona ne?
Identity disorder yi nga kona I ku vanhu lava ri vambirhi va lwela ku exista hinkwavo.
Okay.
So kuna conflict in between those two guys. Mfuni lava vona mina lava vona mina. So
How do you wake around?
so njele Nqabza ni ku bra mina ka Xigaza we u producer we. Basically mina ti chayela.
Se la kwala u producer wena swi hela.
Nqabza we u producer we. Famanda we uvumako. So hi nge kumi ka siku rin'wanyana hi twa risimu ra Xigaza va ku featuring Nqabza the boss. Yeah.
Ufana phore na madumani.
Exactly. So loko ku risimu ra Xigaza ku feature we mina I Famanda.
Okay.
Yeah. Mara hi nga va na risimu ra Xigaza ra Famanda and Nqabza the boss.
Ani la ku bosa sweswo ku ri Famanda a nge humesi ngoma ya Xigaza a vitana Nqabza na.
Exactly. Swi koho swi le ndleleni futhi.
So Nqabza a nge vitani Famanda le ka hip hop. Famanda xi ba Xigaza.
Famanda I xiba Xigaza.
I va la munhu un'we mi nga confused ne. Mavito ma yena I munhu la ba hip hop na Xigaza. Nqabza hip hop Famanda Xigaza. Ediga.
So basically Nqabza wa ba Xigaza. Oka nga yimbeleli Xigaza. Loko ni nga swi tivi ku ni nga swi hlamuseta njhani mi swi twisisa.
Okay, kahle Nqabza I produce.
Exactly.
Mara vocal ya kona ifaka hi Famanda.
Ifaka hi Famanda.
I tingoma ta Famanda.
Confused.
So I think
So Ediga onda yini?
Asga ile a byela ku va sala va ku tirhisa ku yini.
Yo, relax Famanda.
Relax Famanda cause mkarhi n'wana Nqabza tsipatu ku hayi mfo wo mini fan ba Xigaza ni ri one. You said na Famanda va va na conversation bra
Yi tirhisa ku yini?
Famanda xi wa ku late. A hi fanele swi endle khale ni nge se va kona mara ku se ni kona yi ta famba so.
Wa fika nkarhi lowu conversation yaleyo yi humaka out loud vele.
Out loud.
Yeah. Now to say the disorder about this identity.
Yeah, swi va kona hi loko swi va kona hi ti comments. Ne? There are people on my WhatsApp. Taku mara Nqabza xi tlula Famanda. And I'm like,
Va yi hlota kwala. Va yi hlota.
Mina.
yeah.
and then that's where Edgar becomes jealous of those two guys. So like, Jojo, lo oku Nqabza, oku Famanda tlula Nqabza. Unkla yini? No, phela loko khala na khala akulova na Famanda enge ku ri na tinghozi ngopfu loko mara ku chaye mani.
Nqabza.
Ku chaye Nqabza. No, mara the thing is Famanda blind ku tlula Nqabza ni ku yini. That's when the conflict comes.
So Edgar imana one kahle kahle.
Edgar la ku make sure ku ri va sala va shayina hinkwavo.
Oh, okay.
Kahle you collect the shots.
Edgar yena a ngete hi ngwenya Famanda intention ya Famanda loko atala a nga ri ku timhaka ta ku ya tata shayina a ku ri timhaka ta a teka Nqabza a n'wi faka la a nga koti ku fikelela kona yeah
I think also the reason why
I'm confused.
na mani la ku vula swa ku hey na va slow se
as much
confused
as I'm confused also
Yeah.
na mina va na problem
mara like u mention ku ri a wu nge swi koti ku pfuka nampundzu u kha u yingise xigaza you know lero kombisa ku u munhu wo rhandza ku relaxa so u endla njhani switch up between hip hop and xigaza a ni ri a hinkwaswo wa swi tshikana u endla njhani switch up between xigaza and hip hop because swi hambanini xigaza like you're saying she na beat and then hip hop on the other hand like you're saying yi lava wa pfuka u kha u songa so u endla njhani switch up between the Famanda na Nqabza
a hi sunguleni laha me Xigaza no fosteriwa ku ba Xigaza
Hi ma
Imani.
Jofanda
Jofanda hi wihi
Jofanda
Jofanda
Jofanda i manager ne
yeah he is
manager
He's-
managera
manager yi busy ngona ya.
so
Oh, okay.
what happened I was unplanning kuri February or March I'm going to release an EP Xitsonga hip hop so in that process ni indulging of that sound so I was like yo I'm tired nata ku at least no mesa sound le andleveni ta mina now let me just play something different ni endla beat yeah I think ni endle beat ya marabenda even then endla beat ya mapiano ni swi tshika hinkwaswo maswi and ayisukura swona so and then I was like why not ngazami kubanyana beat ya Xigaza just for control because I wanted to refresh my ears and then I posted on my WhatsApp on posta ka WhatsApp I posted that short clip ya beat like
Aku arrange instrumental tsena ngari na.
instrumental ntsena nga ri na vocal even then I forgot to say ne okay tata kayo
okay
so loko ni posta that that short clip and then he commented I was like son I'm like hey muna bona why ngazami yana kufaka vocal I just wanna listen to it akubana ngomntu nona tatwanyana swin'wanyana bazama kufaka vocal kwala I was like mina Xigaza must emuna zama please I just wanna listen
Akuvutisa manager
yeah
a vulavula na mani Nqabza or na
I vulavula na
I think
I vulavula na
Vulavula na Edgar yeah
okay no if I find a tiva ku hi vulavula
Yeah.
because
Eka personality
I
issues.
Nqabza loko
Nqabza xi nga ta pfumela
I thought why mi chayisi leswiwani in the first place because man live
so mara ku chayi xona Nqabza
ai da kwini
so
Mashaka
a professional way of saying you're not on your senses so even then loko sindlekisa shasha okay no it's fine let me just do it kuntava na peace kunne ku karatiweni I think aku ri ti 16th of December mind you I nga humanga May 16 I was in my room making music
lembe leri nga
I'm
hela
16 holiday ne
yeah
16th of December everyone is pitizeling
ram
busy ne
vakatimba
yeah
akuna kokana ka mkuma Famanda xi ku ve ri ta vuya hala kuna gig ya Xitsonga ivi kuta Nqabza
kuya Nqabza
o kuya Nqabza
ani Famanda alter ego
oh
so what happened
your life play interesting eh
yeah
what happened there ego akuri the 16th of December now I'm about to go home so remember rhandza ku vulavula xilungu yo like
if Famanda u
nela ka
vulavula
relationship ya mina hi lwa xilungu na mhani luya 30 minutes hinkwayo no dog you can't do that
khomele
you can't do that dog yeah so
Famanda hi ya rhandza ku vulavula xilungu
no mina I think I found man I think lo ka hip hop
hi lo le ka hip hop na min hleketa so
Nqabza ne
yeah so and then akuri minkarhi ya ku hi ya kaya and stuff and then I was like okay ni nga xi endlaku xa ku vulavula hi ti vibe teta ta minkarhi ya ma December lama And then I was like, ninge valavuli ku hi twa mabyala, hi lava mabyala, hi lava, and I was like, I just want something lexi vanhu va nga tshamangiki va xi endla. I was like, okay, nhlekete kaya, what can I sing on that? Se ni hlekete giyani, swa ni lava swigangu swa mina. I was like, nah, nge yimbeleli giyani ntsena because ka Gaza and then nge nhlekete ka Gaza. Yima ni teka madoroba lamaya. Unfortunately, sorry, ni siye Phalabura. I'm sorry, my bad.
Mihlay malamlel.
Yes.
Swan laws gang sa me
No, yeah. Even then, yeah. Even then, Zanin.
Yeah.
So I sent him. When I sent him, just I think it was like 30-something seconds. I was like, oh yeah, son, yes. Hey, son, we are dropping this one.
You be our studio.
Hey, we are dropping this one, son. I'm like, bye, we can't drop these. You know who me now.
Nqabza I should go in that time.
Yeah. No, man, we are dropping. Wednesday we are dropping, mind you. Monday is good.
And
just ko alana na bayingiseri ne san I egg ne
yeah sani ed
okay yeah
Nqabza anifa mandani se tsware
ay mama shama time mic
no ntwana wa
phela karangwan bana fa me Jofanda. Four. Just because I always talk about Jofanda when I post and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, Jofanda, Famanda. So kuna the similarities.
Oh, Jofanda, Famanda.
Yeah, and but so okay, it's fine. So
And
then it was like, no, we're dropping this one. And then Dukes. That's my bro, by the way.
Dukes. Oh,
yeah. Oh no. So he advised me about the alter ego thing, but he didn't tell me the name though. And then said, now I have no choice because honestly, one thing, hip hop Xitsonga, Xigaza. They can't drop a hip hop song now. They can't because when you drop a Xigaza song, a catalog, hip hop, you wash out the whole catalog. Now you must find song hands. So and I didn't want that. So okay, Nqabza the boss are affiliated na ku endla Xigaza and stuff because it's start wash out the whole catalog liya. Because loko munhu angena atwa risimo ra Xigaza ku nghena ku landela ra hip hop uta ban next. Uta cancel. So swi nga antswa u famba ku swi okay leni atwa hip hop.
That time Jojo va nga itlanga swona.
Maka yini?
Ani na vito rin'we.
Oh, na Jojo ne?
That's the thing.
Yeah.
That's the thing. So munhu u fane aya custom loko ni hala ni atwa hip hop. Loko ni hala ni atwa Xigaza. So leswi a ni lave swona. So then I was like, okay, no, call Dukes. Ay bururu makale alter ego ngaku senda itaka serious, it's fine like Famanda because the word Famanda ani ritirhisa ka the content I mean loko mo scroll me le hansi ka TikTok I mean there is this word ani endla content as in like ni ri vanhu va two ku ri Nqabza la ku ri Famanda mara nga ri Nqabza lo a ku ri n'wana baba lo n'wana ku ri Famanda n'wana baba even then vana conversation na mina n'wini khale nga ni swi rhandza swo va vanhu vambirhi kahle yeah I think I have a twin inside of me.
So
I'm confirming. This other one, just proceed.
And me no kanto leswo ane like sen ven na besungwana lawa and sama kuna manager ne ntanga ri maybe Famanda ne na Nqabza banga collaborate ba nyika different song ne loko ngena Nqabza riva hip hop loko ngena Famanda riva
Xigaza. Yeah.
Rijinja wa Xigaza.
Actually.
Kintli loko ngena Nqabza ri king. Look, I thought kintli
No, I can do that.
It's gonna be nice, eh? Cause I'm gonna take it.
I can. Sandlega was bururu.
Mas not go in. It would see. I don't know, man. It would see Wayne. Uta Xigaza na umbela ma piano
Win in time.
Win in time.
If you could engage Xigaza, malo mo ono metana ka Xigaza. Nkombela phata mi ba piano.
Oh.
Karsima amro tarish Xigaza ri khari ku yini.
Yeah, swi nga endli hey.
Swin'wana xi nga endleka.
Imali ti tamlang sweswi. Imali ti tamlang.
Famanda. No, people are creative, eh?
Yeah, swi nga endla. Timhaka swi ta lava munhu u kota ku sample na ku balance BPM.
Xitsonga
might be BPM.
yeah mayita BPM mashak yeah mara mashak yi tlanga gitsa
Yeah.
beat per minute ne
Yeah.
BPM
Yeah.
per minute mara mina ntanga ta endla kuna ngoma ya misa ngwana swi nga ri hip hop drip check mayita Xitsonga drip check ya Rose swi nga ri hip hop yi ta va Xigaza
Yeah.
so I feel like wasala vambirhi lawani because va lwa ne
Va tirhisana.
issues ta vona
Yeah.
ehenhleni ka ngoma
Avalwi va damana.
mara ma pfumelelana
Avalwi va damana va rhandzana ngopfu. I nyimpi ya ti-sibling liya.
ne
Yeah.
hi leyo na swi lava ku humelela mara kahle loko va
Yeah, ni nga ku buy plate mara loko ku dlaya n'wana
ku
mani.
dlaya and nga ku basa swona mara loko un'wana o ta fika
Ala ku ba yeah,
a
it's a
jika hi
problem.
langa
Yeah,
yena.
exactly.
Okay, so no ni vona swin'wana ka vahisa lava va nga suka ka hip hop va ta ka Xigaza ne okay one thing about me i ku loko mi vona genre ne yi na ni twa nga ri yi na line ya yona so hip hop twala hi marhandzu na beef ma vo hi minkarhi yo tala loko na ka
Mi vulavula hi struggle.
masivona like ina something mta munhu humesa something lo sungula ne yeah ani mchavi hikwenu hlama ku dema no make tene misirini mara masivona hip hop what is this like kolwiwa nkarhi wun'wani like marhandzana not beef na rhandzi so ivi loko vanhu lava va tala ka Xigaza ne va humesa mta marhandzu loko ho sweswani ho u nga yimbeli hi n'wansati u nga yimbeli hi byala three of the artists leti ni tivaka ne nga suka ka hip hop ta nga ra tingoma
Mina I can still make an album.
tota ti nga ra tingoma
Samsung Lean.
Mina I can still make an album.
It's always.
no sorry that is mi nga swi endla mara
Yeah, you are right. I know. I know you
Was
talk
the
about.
man?
Mi vulavula hi. Mi vulavula hi tu na tu.
va vanharhu
Yeah, ni nga ri vana luwa n'wanyana tu.
so like
Yeah.
ku endleka yini why vanhu va fika I know mi nga keriwa hi problem sweswo loko mi la keriwa Nga keriwa.
I can't.
mi nga keriwa veri va lava swin'wana so ni lava ku tiva ku okay a hi minyana tshimi ta n'wi swona hi languta change leyi nga va ko leyo from hip hop to Xigaza ku why ku fika ku talatala swi swa marhandzu loko ku fika laha
I think it's the whole narrative ya ku man u dume hi risimu ra so. Ivi a heta a bara so futhi still a buma. So na mina na ku endla leswiya. Of which is wrong.
ne
Yeah. Because I nanguseni so. Kuna risimu ra a ni swi tivi a ku ri Limpopo Poison kumbe a ku ri President Benny Mayengani na. Ya ku torofolo ya mina rhangani.
a yi nge endli
I like xihloka xa mina xi nga tsemi fana xa loyi na hambi ho la ku zama ku endla xin'we a swi nge fani.
marito
A swi nge fani. So I think the whole idea is wrong. The whole idea is wrong. Majita mi nga lolohi exactly. I used to say na endla hip hop ni ku rapper wa ku tshama a karhi a endla ti-love song wa lolowa.
good
Ma tiva ku why ni ku wa lolowa? Because a swi tiva ka love song okay kombe ku teka SG leyiwa.
hi sweswo
So yeah, so okay mo ni ku
hi 10 ta May ta va hi ri lawani a preview ku na birthday celebration ya kata yeso na King Bex so please tanani ta tiphina swin'we ku na byala ku na swakudya preview
njanganja.
hey vakatimba ta byi ri kona
and loko wa hatla u fika ne u nga kuma swo nwanyana tlhe kumela na swo hakatimba hi swona
Yeah.
Look like
Mina ngo ya swo hakatimba swo yini.
so yini swakatimba
a mi nga swo kambe mi ri
swi na Trump nyana
swi na
swi na Trump nyana leswi a nga swi teka atikweni okay I know okay yeah so ta lawa hi 10 isa the LA taku leyi ya ka swona ti 10 ta May ta ri lawa na preview ile King City Center Arcadia Steve Pickens and Stanza Bopape yeah kwala Pitori and na skipper la kambe tema munhu 260 skipper ne ivo thandeka 100 rand loko u lava jesi ra kona
na loko lava delivery ka xikipa ni nga ta zama ku vema ni vulavula leswaku
vakata ku
okay loko lava ku deliveriwa let's take
okay, around Gauteng, delivery mahala. Loko outside of Gauteng, uta thandekela 100 rand ya Korea. Se se mkoto ko mo nongo tso swi.
La bele Gauteng ma delivery.
Mary?
Mama
Yeah,
delivery.
a Gauteng ta ku byela ku ta swi teka kwihi. That's why ku nge thandekeli cause kwa kusuhana.
Ole Alex
ta ku byela ku ta swi teka kwihi.
Mahala.
Ole Thembisa nga ku byela ku nga ya swi teka kwihi. Se loko outside uta thandeka 3 rand ya Korea. Le ku twana dead boss. Ai twana dead tana. Famanda ngwami xilave skip.
Shamisa loko Friday ne.
Hingato.
Ingawutwa.
Shamina
Ni xilava xa Sunday ni xilava.
Kumbe
Sunday ni xilava.
Zota at least
Hima kwesiku
Nqabza
Ngata kusuku ra hosi. Famba na
Famanda wa
xilava.
hlwela. Baby usanqabza.
Nqabza wa xilave.
Yeah, na xilava.
Adjective Nqabza.
So I used to say, okay, munhu like artist yakutshama karhi endla ti love song ya lolowa. Sorry ka bruru leyi nga duma ti love song kusukela na sweswi ya Ibathu love song. I'm sorry. Mara munhu wa ku endla ti love song. Yes, mina ni specialize ya marando. No, you are lazy. You are lazy, dog. You are lazy. Because it is. I swi na ngisenso.
Ala hata vula ku makolisi.
I need police. May I keep my shades on? So,
money.
Nini kini mic ka.
Yeah, like say drop.
So, because ka love song, it's either we say nakuranza, usasekini, kumbe why untshika kumbe wanjikela.
Wanjikela.
Ere Xitsonga mariko. Ai vulavula ngengoma sweswi.
If Amanda.
Wanjikela.
Loko mental life. I hlanganisa
No, I was talking about hip hop. I was talking about hip hop, dog. So, so we know.
Famanda vulavula ku
Nqabza la vulavulaka sweswi. Yeah, Nqabza the boss. Ka title Famanda mongfaka brackets ne?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you're going to say, I love you. It's either I love you, kumbe I'm sorry, kumbe untshikini wanjikela, yes. Kumbe shani usasekini. Yeah, I keep my shades on. So, already ashtiva sweswo. Koba it's something I admit tiva ish ambile swi ngota ndwisana vanhu. It's something I admit tiva ku tivawula ku hi ku umburi ya Mtsonga.
Ximatsatsa xa Mtsonga.
Hey, before fika ximatsatsa.
Titele ngopfu ne.
Yeah.
No, swi swi nhlokweni mina ka hisa titele.
Va ku umburi ya Mtsonga. U ximatsatsa xa Mtsonga ke i tingani mi ti tivaka? Tinga ko.
Ivi va ku I love you. Ivi va ku I love you. Va ku na ku rhandza.
Umburi ya Xitsonga.
I didn't say that.
I
didn't say that.
Amina mara.
It's actually true. It's actually true. There's nothing there's nothing new you're going to say. After u ta ku na ku rhandza. Loko ri risimu ra ku rhandza munhu, u ta vula na ku rhandza, u ta ku sasekini, u ta ku umburi ya Mtsonga. We already know. So, I love songs laziness, dog.
Yeah, ne?
N'winyi wa swa wa switwa.
Keeping the shades on.
N'winyi wa swa wa switwa.
Ani vulangi munhu.
No tla.
Endla risimu ro karhi.
Leswi nga ta n'wi va yena.
Ai mina.
Leswi nga ta n'wi va yena.
Ai mashaka vulavulaka. Ai mashaka vulavulaka.
Mara voice by talk ya mashaka.
Yeah, mara lo titangu tu n'wi ringana ku ambala.
Okay, yeah, on that note ne. Okay, so mfika Xigaza.
Yeah.
Na ngoma xin'wana.
Hayi xin'wana, tingoma tin'wana.
Xingoma la might wa xitori na xitori, mi kona ka xitori na xitori.
Yeah, va kona.
Yeah. Yi boy hina.
La ya be mashaka.
Yi boy hina.
Mata ngoma le ani yitwa na cause me vele ngoma na yingisela. Loko va ku munhu ne. Va ku trenda risimu so.
Shout out to Metro Beats, by the way.
Mun nga ulso tala.
Yeah,
nga ulso tala.
Oh.
Ngome miela. Mashaka na ivan va kahle. Okay, anku loko mi ntwa risimu ne ba ku okay Khosa na wakate ma sisters ba humese risimu ne ne meka sure ku loko ri duma swinene leriya ni yena ya chava ku ri a ku na swin'wana va nga tshama va swi humesa swi nga kona na ni ngisa swilo hinkwaswo so metro beats ya ni twi tsino talanyana ne ivi ku ni twa xitori na xitori ni ri yingisela mara ni ri twa ku ya it's a good song
Yeah.
then one day a ni ri ka club leya ya Xigaza leya them and I invited. I think it's 2 weeks back. Yeah. Ube all the songs. Never look for a story. It's like, ay man, this song like a Rona. And Willie Mago Milane. I met some land that's full of foot. No, I said. So like the Mtanganja, no metro beats, and then similar thing. Store. Hey, kunas gang.
I do not know much about Store, to be honest. Basically, Milana Metro Busy, we had that relationship out of relationships are beer. Okay, no, it's fine. We had that relationship as like outside of the music, the brotherly relationship and stuff. So we had conversations and stuff about music, advice and stuff like that. So okay, no, the guy antiva na manu antiva, but I ain't na contact and stuff. I think he's soon last year. Because soon so vulavula and stuff. So story he recorded that song and afaka TikTok. Look, afaka TikTok. I was like, and then no what's happening there's this song when you're not taking serious. Wanna take la story na potential loko ma trekelia kuta ku rinjamba mara nigga show lo yuma
Yeah,
yeah, so that what happened. And then mina na Metro were from the same background. Kwa Metro adi buy pop ya xilungu. Adi buy pop ya xilungu. Dama that's why anga duma anga blind dama. Anga da duma music lo. Blind.
Blind too much for yena ne?
For yena, blind. Like yeah, anga da duma. So we had a chat and then answered the whole project. The whole project, and then he touch and stuff like that until he figure out inga bako. So loko ni to that song mean I na kuchina ngov leswaku like you know that feel. And then I was like, you showed that the emotional touch. And I mean ni munhu wa music wa me emotional to be, like loko sometimes hip hop inkwatho like mostly the emotional. And I'm that emotional person. So I was like, okay, we need that touch yaku if I never emotional because similarly aba itekela advantage aba itekela hansi aba ngayiboni nchu. So I was like, okay, no, it's fine. Let me just be different. Because if you can listen to my verse, cut that song, it sounds like a different song. Like say every time look who's this guy? Because I wanted like that emotional feel. Vesla ni record the too. Ni raba. Ni record that food because I ain't got pain and then got voice and I ain't got pain. So and then I wanted that pain and stuff. So all in all, I got the magata go emona na relate mega similar. And as much as I've been through a lot with the magata music and stuff. La ningaskota kukhohlola mbilu la. And I mean I didn't want a love song. I didn't want a love song. By the way, I did drop a love song featuring Moose. But the whole idea I got a DJ Sleek. The whole idea I got a DJ Sleek angate yamadala why ungazami love song uma voice ya wena ya
Dalwamin.
Yeah, Dalwamin featuring Moose. It was like voice ya wena loko una na love song inga. Yeah, why ngazami love song? I was like, okay, it's fine. Drop and beat. And then he sent me the beat and stuff like that. I was like, okay, no, it's fine. Let me come up with something. Now, you call that song. If you can listen to that song, as fun as well. Nakubona ntsipela na tihlo switiko mangaro atala hi mina. Lava tinambara ndakunyika man nginya jizz baby the bar. As in like, yeah, nginya jizz baby the bar. Man, nginya jizz the bar. So by the way, relationship ya mena Metro ishap like yeah, that's my bro by the way. Shtora aba kwenye pop. Mimi are stream. And hey, I need to sound and but it's the most performing song got the whole EP.
But the
Yeah.
that EP.
Yeah.
I told him before that song dropped, I was like, hey, bro, this song, and I'm busy around. I'm busy. I go to recording, it's fine. Let me just work on this and this and that.
Hey, and kuna artist ngo loko ma vula so mungudzerini ku ngoma leyi ta ba ne kuna artist ngwana va nga rhamba studio ne aba cheka risimu ra Nqabza choose before home artist lava yi artist one of the biggest artists ka Xigaza I have done that a song review before home asumnere sakuna ngoma ta yi2 akuni Nqabza choose na rin'wana risimu a rhumesiwini ivi dimanche ku le Nqabza choose a yingebi and ngari ndlanani liyawana a yingebi le
kunjani ma kunje
and then even then banga stay what were you saying so artist la Ibrahimela ita stolo yo wona nan lewan episode lewan from then the man vesho asha review the same tamun I'm telling you, I'm going to
Hey, Mashaka,
it's fine. I review the same me work.
Imane yivula
That's Nqabza the boss. The boss, not the boss for nothing.
Mara comment la ne yinge indi choma test ya
No, yinge indi choma.
Chachela is tir
So misungulile mbeleri vele ku mesa tinsimu ta Xigaza ni
Xigangu xa mina
ifamanda lexi ifamanda lexi
Xigangu xa mina dropped unofficially in December.
Okay.
I mean that's all. So Xigangu xa mina dropped unofficially in December. Xigangu xa mina. Point of order, Xigangu xa mina. Yeah, okay. Xigangu xa mina dropped unofficially around December. And then I was like, Nkarhi wa Nqabza choose ayagoma by the way. And I was like, we can't drop this song. Carlo.
ngoma le khlupheni
Yo, yeah. And then it was like, nah, just drop it. We don't know. Everyone has its own grace, by the way. So I was like, no, it's fine. They drop again. Go YouTube.
yes
Because go YouTube, you can drop it today, you can drop tomorrow, you can delete if you want to. So, logo mo yingsela, there is kuna Xigangu xe 2.
yidi ngara gambu
Kuna Xigangu xe 2. Kuna Xigangu leyi nga tsariwa ku ri Xigangu Famanda Xigangu produced by Nqabza the boss. Kuna yi nga Famanda Xigangu because yi nano under distribute.
oh yes
So loko mo ya me yingisela liya ya Xigangu yo sungula. Base ya yona ya rasa. A yi nga za yi masteriwa.
Kahle.
A ni nga za ni va na nkarhi because yeah, even then leyi nga kona sweswiwani and then leyi nga ku se yi nga basa.
Yeah.
So like basically I will agree with you when you say ku ri Famanda usungule this year.
Yeah.
So usungule in January.
okay
And then kuwana the features in a space of January until
It's because of
May.
Nqabza. That's why nimbyela no ku misa luya mi nga vuli ku u blind ku tlula loyi.
Oh, so Famanda u blind utlula Nqabza.
Famanda was using Nqabza's connections
quite
because
back.
Nqabza has a relationship with the whole industry.
yeah
Ne? He has a good relationship, but Famanda is a newborn. So yung mbyela we munhu vona ni faka Shirinda. So then I just happened loko ni dropa I just made a video ya Xigangu. I think loko you got 100k views I was like, "Ha! Xigaza should be lying the most."
money
Because in a the space of a week, I had 100k views. Got that Xigangu song. Now I think if we are not on 10k posts, We are somewhere there. Nga shota la video nyana timbirhi tinharhu.
touch screen loko za posta video leyo
Yeah.
sweswo
Yeah.
a hi streaming tingoma swi na nkoka leswi
Yeah, yeah.
Kambani kwimi.
I think
na famba na mahalo problem
So
mhaka leyi serious ni twi ku va na ti-accent tin'wana ti nga huma ever since namuntlha hi fikini ne ni twi ku va na ti-personality leti yi nga ri swi lavisisiwa swa
Ti kona, ne?
mampela ni twi ku va
I have
na
a twin inside.
okay mara it doesn't seem like a twin because na famanda kuna Nqabza kuna leyi ni nga yi twa leyi ya manageri hambi manageri hambi mayini
That one, don't worry about it.
matembela from pops
No, like me, to be honest, by the way, I have a failed career as a comedian. I tried being a comedian. The problem, bana va nga hleka joke ta mina. Hlekani kan tao. So, so ava nga hleka joke ta mina. I used to imitate, I used to do accents. The Zimbabwean accent, the Nigerian accent. No, my brother, I used to talk like this when I was in high school. I was used to make jokes like this. And then now I try to do some jokes about this accent and stuff. And then it didn't work out. I was like, no, I'm not a comedian, by the way. I'm an artist, a producer.
so struck so
It's so still, hey, they just want to die.
on that note you're also on your biography you are a radio producer. Can you also get into that?
I was not really a radio producer. I was a radio presenter.
presenter yes yeah hi kombe mi hlamusela sweswo
Shirinda
Ndzi kahle vele na Jojo la none va karhi endla swilo swin'wana swa ku dlaya ngopfu ndzi kahle na Kate Shirinda va karhi endla swilo swin'wana swa So by the way, I used to work
Why say go my voice ya Gondi Boy?
Gondi Boy. No, this I do not sound like Gondi Boy.
Ai no man
You
right
didn't put him
and
back.
what bana vanhu lava
Ndzi kahle vele Okay, so I find this really Italian. Lo engabona jibona mancane nosibongesile so nomvulanga phesheya. Nqabza the boss kula fandro AK body seke sifaka sikhona bak. Hey, araba njani ku yo bogoror.
yo bogo
uyena
and then agondine shit na marito mangwana
Oh, I used to work ka Gisara FM ne. Anere body tsakis. Hey, mavito.
Tisakisi
Yeah.
I mean
Tisakisi.
Rifin.
ya kuna yin'we bunge tisakisi hala ka yena
No, Rifin. I don't like that guy, by the way. I don't like that guy.
but itsakisi
Body tsakis.
dan khomela hala ka yena mara I recall
Yeah, so
yeah okay so out there ka JCR
I tsikeni swi ya. Hey, ana ku indhawu jaka swona mawi. Okay, it's fine.
min la botsa yin'wana sweswiwani tiwekende leti nga hona kuna lomu weekend yin'wana ya dangerous ngopfu leya Good Friday yi vi yi kombisa swo tala ngo leswi humelelaka exigazeni kahle ene ni tsaka ngopfu mhaka ku swi a ni tshami na wena la hi maxaka a ku ri na a hi tivaneni loko na hi tivaneni like a ku ri na all the hottest artists ta ka Gaza a ti ri kona leti levela vanhu va lava mi twanga ku vele ku streamiweni ngopfu swi hambile ku yiseriweni ngopfu a va ri kona ne even then loko na event liya from event ndzi ngona ti-comment ku ri Gaza ti-artist ta Xigaza a va swi koti ku perform yini na n'wa ya wacha dela cause kuna production yin'wana a yi kha yi teka
Eka stream, yeah.
stream nini ya vona mina na mi can confirm ku ri vele ku performa swa tika why still ku performa a Xigazeni like nga a ku ri heziwi like mata ku ingaku ku ri loko munhu a nghena la stage ne vanhu ve ri why ni nga ta ngifana mina ni ya ka Spotify or ni ya ka Apple Music kan bisa simira cause akuna difference it's more like ku tlangwa risimu it's just a background song tlanga ku munhu a khatla tlola kumbe u timina mic ana kuna chumu lexi a ku ri a nga tirhisana na vanhu so
Loko
it's a cry na Gaza ku ri kombela ku artist mara mina nga ri a va rambo swona afa va nga vuli ku ri tata perform fa ku tata tsakisa tshungu kumbe a nga twisa ku ri perform ya ku tsakisa tshungu
yeah.
so so kumela yini kahle wa nga ri manega na mona ma swi koti ku perform.
by the way nkombe disagree loko mi la ku vona performance yingiselani maniga Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's a there's a whole thing, Lanwan.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, mina I think maniga yasquota perform. Ngotsanza kukuchina. But there's a difference between ku perform and kuchina. There's a whole difference. There's a fine line, kahle. Yeah, there's a fine line. Ede magata ku performer is to make sure kuri I get you entertained. I must do something. Like I must do something.
Kufana na Sipho angafika hour stage.
Okay, yeah. So if you can look at shout out to you do not know me. Shout out to DJ Gwinya. DJ Gwinya angasko to kuchina nkulukumbalo ya. Like kuchina like to actually dance, but he's a performer. A great performer. Like shout out to DJ Gwinya, by the way. So like logo like nangsa performance ku performer is to interact. Like performance yesterday is to make sure there's a relationship, communication between mina and Nqabza. There must be a communication. No going to go to and shout out to Gondi Boy. Gondi Boy can perform.
Yeah.
Gondi Boy can perform. I just go to China Mara. Relationship with Dingana Yona defend. They blind.
Yeah.
By the way, it's a fan, not defense. So so like relationship like Gondi Boy ava kuna yona na Nqabza.
Mashaka.
Ne? Oh, I say again. Okay, it's fine. So Gondi Boy can perform. DJ Gunya can perform. There's a lot of guys who can perform. There's shout out to Jojo. That's my bro, by the way. That guy got me from hip hop. I used to make songs with him. So by the way, yeah, J. John can perform, by the way. So I think van lava bangaskoti ku perform se no ihlamula ke. Van lava bangaskoti ku perform ava need ku practice ku china. Van need ku practice ku interact na Nqabza. How do you interact with the Nqabza so that it can receive you? Because man venge ku receive kuri ku wena awabanyiki reason yakuba ba ku receive angabavonyeteli bana yeah ningefiki ngena ngani ku thank you DJ nishendla njani sweswo okay at least loko ku awuswikoti ku interact
Swi endli ntsena
by nature
swi endli ntsena loko ku ri wo hlongoliwa hi ti MC stage.
exactly va ku nyika ti 7 seconds yeah exactly but ku communicate na Nqabza swi na nkoka eye contact yi na nkoka yeah ku nga va minkarhi yin'wana very stage swin'wana swi va xi ri lani wa Nqabza va u ri leni ya swi nga tikanyana but ku interact show ku ri I'm happy ku ri mi le ku ni receiveni na mina ni le ku tsakeni sweswi se ni sungula ku ti tshemba hi timhaka ta ku mi le ku ni receiveni a ni swi tivi ni hlamule kahle na
Na mi hlamule kahle.
yeah ku va swi endla njhani they will figure that out
And then
you ngo tsako siku artist fa ku mina chako imbela simba ra munhu va ta ku ni vona munhu
and no ba.
ingena ngisi hansi artist yimbelela yi huma ifamba a yi hlamulangi munhu a yi va xawetangi a yi va huwelelangi a yi yo
By the way, tell that I lawyer Nqabza la na Famanda. Enkom. So yeah, I'm mahlweni khaya kufaleni ne. Event le tlhef ka you expose swin'wana futhi mashaka. Kuloko ho teka risimu ra munhu hi sa vocal hi ri tlangisa la ku nyika mic. Swi endla hi tlanga ra yena.
oh I hear that a lot
Yeah, ba ku swi endla hi tlanga ra yena na stamina ku ri okay lomu na khandla tsimu ne ku na swo tala ngo swi endlekaka ma chela backing vocal ya n'wina mara mi ta hi tune yin'wana swi tani hi nge swi koti ku swi endla loko ti vocal mi nge swi endli live mara veri loko that is taga to nyikiwa live performance ku nga va na problem hi nge swi tunerisimu hi nge tshembi ya nga yimbelela laha i event leyi nga hi kombisa swo fana na sweswo hi maxaka a hi cancer event leyi so mirini is like so are you saying ku vanhu loko va ya studio va fika va yimbelela hi ndlela yin'wani leyi maybe kwati kamakamiwa kumbe ku
Yeah, ku ri ku tikamuweni ka
and
guys.
then loko se va fika
vanhu vele ku ti
Auto tune or in.
mi ndle kahle mi nga vula auto tune mi kombe ku nangisa camera auto tune a yi yimbelerisi loko u nga swi koti yi ta ku expose
ku fana na kambe xin'wana xivutiso
Auto tune
Ahlawula.
ayimbelerisi. Mina if you can play my song and then I talk, voice leyi ni vulavulaka hi yona sweswiwa i voice leyi mi nga ta yi twa laha.
hi swo swa kahle sweswo
I voice leyi mi nga ta hi tlanga hip hop, hi tlanga Xigaza, hi tlanga yini. The same voice leyi ni vulavulaka hi yona laha hi leyi mi nga ta yi twa laha. Auto tune ayimbelerisi. Auto tune lo nga swi koti ku yimbelela yi ta ku expose. Ku na risimu rin'wanyana ni ri ish.
yini vito ra risimu ra kona
Moni Mhlevele.
leri nga ku dumeni swinene ya leri ti
So,
okay.
milanda brata
A hi swa n'wina leswi.
no, they're gonna come for me. They're legends.
Expose, I mean.
I'm not talking about small boys, yeah. Small
Yeah.
boys will be small boys. I'm talking about legends. And yeah. Got that event, legend. They're gonna perform. I think he performed a 1 hour,
le mi vulaku ne
1 minute show. So,
le mi vulaku ne
so, like, he sang. He can't sing. He can play. Yes, he can play. He can't sing. So what he did there.
Go back to records, you're too paying too much.
So his part, you can tell Guri, they tried to fix but it's Andy. Go to listen to his part. You know the song now.
I know.
Go listen to his part. Good so auto tune and it was all the way up. So by the way, auto tune I scored Wimbledon Samoon. So by the way, Abrahamin, embrace your voice. You know your voice. You know, okay. Here's the thing about me, nane. I know scored Wimbledon the high key. Like the high pitched songs, I can't sing.
namande sona re ka worship team
Tantimba. So mina, give me D, give me DB, give me E, give me F sharp. I'll be okay. Logo se wala ta nyika leswa swin'wanyana swa le henhla. I can't. I can't.
Vamkomelela.
Listen to Xigaza. Listen to Beri waiba kujolelo. Ori kahle so. Munhu wa wena wakuchi. Like the way I'm singing it right now, listen to my same. Like the pitch, ila, ningosko dugu ya end. So know your voice, shosungula. Know your voice. But if you can't sing, abona swin'wanyana Bramina, China ke.
okay mashaka hi one question mngana ka palese selena timina Xitsonga
Okay, so i yini swin'wana leswi u swi endlaku like outside music? Do you have businesses? U le xikolweni? Sweswo taniya.
Maka xikolo le ku beni ka hoka guys. Okay. So I have businesses. I have businesses, but I'm trying to like. I don't think they are well established as like but I do have businesses. I'm a graphic designer, by the way.
okay
A video editor, a voice-over artist. So that was it. Yeah, blind food. Yeah. So this was it.
Okay.
So for your music, alaga radio kuze kuva na xinkwanyana.
Anthony Kared.
mbola tisimu ku
Music, alaga music. Ka tisimu ta wena.
Oh, kareke.
Ti ze ti fika la.
Xinkwa xikona n'wana man.
A xi kona.
N'wana man I bookiwe. Yeah, like
A bukeni n'wina
I wanna
wena.
xinkwa. I wanna xinkwa the whole week. Me vone long weekend la ri njhani ta tita repetition njhani ta gig guide. I was making music in my room.
Ne?
Yeah, I was making music.
so vanhu bambuka kwe
Va nga ni contact ka page ya mina ya Facebook. Nqabza the boss. In bracket // you famanda. So it's like so well
Babuka man.
you Nqabza the boss or famanda. So you just choose who you want.
Yiko possibility yo munhu a vhela kuma khombo.
Yeah.
Ne?
I go call possibility. Stress why sweswo.
Ne?
Yeah.
So mfaka mi ri 2.
Yeah.
okay
Va
Mi ri 3 was.
No, mina mani nga ri kona. So swi ku va ula Edgar phe.
Yeah.
okay
Yeah, so-
TikTok abamkumi
TikTok @Nqabza SA. Kumbe vutisa cha Nqabza the boss.
yeah ita
So yeah.
Teletele.
Yeah. WhatsApp number ne WhatsApp number.
vavasati yingiselani swinene ku lo tenka WhatsApp number.
Hey, strictly business. Mano wa mina a na ha voni n'wansati un'wanyana wo tlula yena.
Sorry,
kuna munhu
ni mi zamele mina mara swo tsandza.
Yeah.
munhu ne
I kona munhu. I'm in a very healthy relationship. I have arguments in English there. So WhatsApp 072 189 5150. Ne barang wrong number ne? Yo. Kumbe ya mina personally still na ta tlhela ni mi yisa ka liya 064 244 9252.
Ya personal ya Mr.
Yeah. Strictly business. Kumbe la ku viewer status. Leswi swin'wana swa hey you're so cute.
Sungula sweswiya.
I don't say to leswiyani. I'm deaf and I can't even read. So yeah.
aka diswang mara ne Edgar al diswang
Jolo achawa.
Loko nga tivi mara hey kuna ku cinca.
kuna xisa xin'wana very bus George na te n'wanyana ya susa swilo leswi
Ani love.
right
Ani love.
Masha on the road bus John so inga mi khale kete itela tiya.
no I advertiser kuna Saturday leyi nga ta tshama as vavanuna i ta no teya vavanuna
Ngati.
kombela loko mi heta ku performa tigigini
Yeah.
mitali
Me ngane rando kwala. Mara by the way ne I just want to let these guys know we are coming. Awusulo ni nga buku wa nka ukendlezwa ka yona sendena swa hadla shi. We are coming and we are coming in hot because you know what ngikombe kuzivula ngikombe kusuka ndelelini mina munhu odelela na khalensi wa ka hip hop ku deleliwa ngopfu.
Yeah.
You cannot deceive real music. And hit a itolokeriwe. Swa ku wena iwe mani u tivana na mani a tivana ku na mani. Ka music a swi nge tirhi because at the end of the day ta tshama hansi ku mara misalo a deliver yini. You can never drown real music. You can never drown real pen game. So by the way, we are coming.
Okay, that's how we imako Nqabza na famanda batako ne ene ku sibeka kahle Xitsonga leswi hi nga sivula khaya ku pfaleni u ri n'wina mi nga tsali ku sona mitawa eka hi pfala ne ke singo vin'wanya ku vona hina ne ndzi swinene and loko na swin'wana hi yo ndhawu ya kole lewa munhu wa vuya lawani hi ta kota ku vona ku se hi fika kwihi I bookeni vanhu please go and stream for yourself and I'm not going to go hey if I'm man I'm booking no if I'm me stream one me tell me nga switwa
leswi ni vulaka swona you can never deceive real music a famba va yingisela and then they'll have a reason
ro hetisela ka episode lewan ro hetisela ikhale ka hi swivula ro hetisela hi tsaka ngopfu hi ti 10 ta May hi ta hi preview ka birthday celebration ya ngata Yesu na King Bex lava va nga tshama va bad push up kwana lava ta va ka celebrate na vona kwala preview please tanan kame sina ka munhu masha
hi 4 ta va se ri kwala
ya hi 4 ta ri
ta va ti ri ku vuyeni
ta khinyaveza
maxaka va ta va ka va tlanga guitar
by the way va rivele ku swivula na mina lo twa ni voni ni ri koka poster nda ni ri koka
hi la hi nga ta va hi vona ku ri ya performelwa njani kahle i mhaka ku hi dyondzisa ku performa so kuna trial run hi ti-date lawani ya Nqabza na famanda kwalawa
Jojo ta performa na wena ne
and na ti-track di wa hi le ku teni ti bakusha
nana
yale
sam jolo taktika mara jola ni vana va manika
roro duma ra kona
mjol
yo song of the lembe rin'wana
lembe rin'wana rin'wana
and then endlisiwa phe ngoma leyi sina la ku yenda mina
na swiganga ni nga swi lava ku yendla
ni xikhorasani mi va ku enda sitalo studio leswi ya mara a hi le ka swona ya matimba yi le ku teni hi ta hisa ngoma leyi na yi twa mabandini okay so mashaka hi mbali kahle mani 260 skipa 360 jersey loko ri ku ri a wu le Gauteng GP Gauteng province u tlhandlekela 100 rand ya Korea ne loko ri ku lawani Swetla Alexander kwi Ivory ka Nkovani ta ule Zigandafi ule
ne le dene bong
ule ya ta ku nyika xikipa xa kona so mashaka Mani
Money.
famba se yirini.
Hi swona.
Mani va
Mani va le-
Hi swona sweswo.
Anything to your fan?
Yeah, thank you. No kombela, by the way, nge tense. I would like to hey, kumbe tika xilungu. Ntarhandza ku khensa eka lava yingiselaka music wa mina, lava ni rhandzaka, lava ni supportaka. Na ha ri kona ni wa n'wina Xigaza a ni nga xi lavi mara ni fositeriwe se ni xi rhandza. By the way, Tux me yo ni fositela vo n'wina. Na ha ri kona, I'm still gonna drop. There is this song that is coming, ne? Vito ra very Sunroof. So ku Sunroof ku ndle I love song yena hi tsala music tshama se hi tsala. So
I'm taking the polo masha.
yeah, so by the way, kuna simbri nga ku teni very Sunroof ra famba ndani Nqabza the boss by the way.
Yes.
So Roma it 10. Mo twa se vele
very
no, it
10
10 that perform. Are se huma exclusive that perform at 10. So if mina ku return then mitata. Na ngwe mitara twa ba ku dlaya.
Se swi vula ku hi ti 10 loko vanhu va misa kahle kahle va ta misa
Va ta
ti-exclusive.
misa swo tala.
Yeah, the exclusive.
Because mina
Swo
ba
tala
exclusive
ngopfu.
phela.
Yeah, so ka lava ni rhandzaka na mi rhandza, lava nga ni rhandzeki mi ta ni rhandza mundzuku ni na n'wina mi rhandza ngopfu by the way.
A rhandzi ku fuck off.
Hi sweswo.
Lava nga rhandzi ku fuck back.